Hi friends, my name is Kanishka. So today we read chapter 3 Minerals and Power Resources. Last time we read chapter 1 and 2 of Geography. This chapter is big, so start the first question. Name any three common minerals used by you every day. Answer: coal, petroleum, limestone, salt, iron, etc. Question number 2. What is an ore? Where are the area of metallized minerals generally located? Answer: rocks from which minerals are mixed are known as ores. The ores of metallized minerals are generally located in rocks. Question number 3. Name two reasons in natural gas resources are. Answer: Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Basin and Digboy region in India. Question number 4. Which resources of energy would you suggest for rural areas? Biogas, coastal areas, tidal wind energy, acid reasons, wind and solar energy. Question number 5. Give 5 ways in which you can save energy at home. Answer: switch the lights and fans when not in used. Use to copper wiring in the house. Use of one AC at one room one time. Fourth, installing energy saving devices. Fifth, use CFL lights. Give reasons. Environment aspects. Hog dams because it destroys the ecology and forest and displaces the villages. Two, most industries are minus for the better and quick availability of coal. Third, petroleum is gold because of its color and commercial value. Question number 4. Quarry can concern. Answer: because quarry causes for the pollution. Fourth, define the following. What is minerals? A natural substance such as coal, salt, oil, etc. Especially one that found in the ground. Question number 2. Define the metallized and non-metallized minerals. Metallic minerals are minerals in which mineral elements are present in their raw form. Differentiate the ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Answer: ferrous minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances that contain iron as an element in the composition. Non-ferrous minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances that do not contain iron as an element in the composition. Question number 4. What is mining? The process of industry of getting minerals, matter, etc. out of the ground by digging. Question number 5. What is an open cast mining? Open pit mining, also known as open cast or open cut mining, is a surface mining technique of extracting rock or minerals. Question number 6. What are shaft? A long narrow hole in wide something can go up and down or enter or leave. Question number 7. What is salt mining? Salt milling or salt sinking is excavating a vertical or near vertical turn it from the top down where there is initially no access to the bottom. Question number 8. What is drilling? To make a hole in something with a drill. Question number 9. What is quarrying? A quarry is a place where rocks, land or minerals are extracted from the surface of the earth. Question number 10. What are the different types of rocks in which the minerals are occurring? Answer: sedimentary rocks also grow where minerals from water through chemical precipitation. Limestone, gypsum and dolomite and are sedimentary rocks. Different. Question number 11. Different the conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. Answer: conventional sources of energy are the natural energy resources which are present in a limited quality and are being used for a long time. Question number 12. What is thermal power? A thermal power station is a power station in which heat energy is converted of electric power. Question number 13. Differently the natural gas and biogas. Answer. The key difference between biogas and natural gas is that the biogas is a renewable source of energy, whereas the natural gas is a non-renewable source of energy. Question number 14. What is hydroelectricity? Answer. Hydroelectricity is electricity product from the hydropower. Hydroelectricity is a form of energy that harnesses the power of water in motion. Question number 15. What is geothermal energy? Geothermal energy is heat that is generated within the earth, and thermal means heat in crate. Question number 16. What is tidal energy? Tidal energy is a renewable energy powered by the natural rise and fall of ocean tides and currents. Question number 17. Advantages of and disadvantages of the following. Advantages. Oil has high energy density. Oil is easily available, is used in a variety of industries. Oil is a constant power source. Emission of greenhouse gases. Disadvantages of oil. One of the biggest disadvantage of oil that is release carbon dioxide, which has been sequestered for millions of years in the dead bodies of plant and animals. This transfers the carbon from the earth to the environment, leading to the global warming effect. Natural gas. Advantages of natural gas. Natural gas is abundant and a major source of energy infrastructure already in place. And natural gas can be easily transported. Natural gas emits carbon dioxide. Disadvantages of natural gas. Natural gas is non-renewable source as with other fossil energy source storage. No, natural gas emits carbon dioxide. Natural gas can be difficult to harness. Natural gas is a limited source of energy and will eventually run out. Firewood. Advantages. Firewood is a renewable source. It is energy from the sun stored by the tree as it grows. Firewood is shown to be 6 into more economic than electricity heat, 5 into more economic than gas heat, and 4 into more economic than oil. Disadvantages of firewood. Clean lines. Disadvantages of burning wood. Quality and storage of firewood ensures from burning and creosote. Uneven heat distribution. Availability and cost of firewood. 4. Coal. Advantage of coal. Hug global coal reserve. Coal is not an intermittent energy source. Coal is convertible to various formats. Coal is simple to store. Low capital investments for coal. Disadvantage of coal. Coal destroys natural habits. Coal creates a high level of carbon emission. Coal is a non-renewable source of energy. Coal can be deadly. Emission of harmful substances by coal. Question number 5. Hydel power. Advantage of hydel power. Hydel power is fueled by water, so it is a clean fuel resource, meaning it won't pollute the air like power plants that burn fossil fuels such as coal or natural gas. Disadvantages. Environment consequences. The environment consequences of hydropower and related to intervention in nature due to damaging of water. Okay, so next, wind. 6th, wind energy advantages. Wind power is cost effective. Wind creates jobs. Wind enables US industry growth and US competition. Disadvantages. The two major disadvantages of wind power include initial cost and technology. Imma theory. Solar energy advantage. Renewable energy source. Among all the benefits of solar panels, the most important thing is that solar energy is a truly renewable energy source. Okay, so this is the last page, disadvantages. Cost, the initial cost of purchasing a solar system is very high. Where weather depend altogether, solar energy can still be collected during jolly, cloudy, and rainy days. Eighth, tidal energy advantages: constituency, permanence, long term economy, energy effective intermissions. Disadvantages: local limits, high tidal power plant construction costs, location limits. Ninth, nuclear energy advantages: one of the most low carbon energy source. It also has one of the smallest carbon footprints. Disadvantages: the radioactive waste coming from nuclear power plant is a great caution and peril to the environment. 10. Biogas advantages: biogas is a green energy source in form of electricity and heat for a local grid. Disadvantages: and fortunate disadvantage of biogas today is that its technology is not completely efficient. Geothermal energy advantage: first and foremost, geothermal energy is extracted from the earth without burning fossil fuels. Disadvantages: environment concerns about greenhouse emissions, possibility of depletion of geothermal source. Okay, so this chapter is completed. So next time we read chapter 4. Okay, so you like geography, so like this video and see this video full because it is very important. Chapter 3 is very big. Okay, so you read and write and learn this chapter full. Okay, bye friends, see this video. Thanks for watching.